Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another CVS Get Ready With Me video. So these deals are starting today, 2/9 to 2/15. So we do have some really good deals going on at CVS this week. And I did look at my CRTs and I got some pretty good CRTs. Now we're all supposed to be receiving a spend 30, get $10 off on certain products. So included in these products is going to be L'Oreal makeup, Garnier face care, Garnier shampoo and conditioner. Also, we have L'Oreal hair care and some other items. So it's on page 6 and on the last page of the ad. That's everything that's included in that deal. So that spend 30, get $10 off is supposed to come out from the Redbox Coupon Center. So it's just like receiving an instant coupon. So for that coupon, I have a really great scenario for you guys. Also, in my CVS breakdown video, I have another scenario if you wanted to just do like shampoo and conditioner. The scenario I'm going to give you now is including face care. So Garnier face care is buy two, get a $5 extra buck. So you're going to pick up one of the Marcella wipes for $7.59. And you're going to buy one of the clean makeup wipes for $6.99. You're going to use two of the $2 off Marcella products CRTs. So there goes those CRTs right there. I received one last week and one this week, making the total $10.58, but you're going to get back a $5 extra buck. So it works out to $5.58 for both of them, or $2.79 each. The next item I'm going to include in this spend 30, get $10 off is going to be the L'Oreal Elvive products. So they're going to be on a promotion for spend 15, get a $5 extra buck, and they're going to be on sale 2 for $8. So I'm going to pick up 4 of them for $16. I'm going to use a 4 off of 2 coupon from our 119 RMN, as well as a 4 off of 2 from our 29 RMN. So the total works out to $8, but you get back a $5 extra buck. So it works out to $3 for all of them, or 75 cents each. Now, when I checked on cvs.com, I clicked on L'Oreal Elvive. I think we are going to be receiving a 3 off of 2 coupon on coupons.com, or maybe that's just a coupon I had sent to my card, but I believe I didn't have anything sent to my card, so I think we are going to receive a 3 off of 2. Don't hold me to it. I'll definitely let you guys know in the morning when I do my in-store videos. So these are the 4 off of 2 coupons I have. So let's say you don't have the one from the 119. Hopefully we do receive one on coupons.com that you can use in conjunction with this deal. So these are the 4 off of 2 coupons that I do have. It makes the total $8, but you're going to get back $5 in extra bucks. So it works out to $3 for both of them, or 75 cents each. Now for the spend 30, get $10 in extra bucks. The total before coupons for the Garnier face care as well as the L'Oreal Elvive is going to be $30.58. So L'Oreal Elvive as well as Garnier face care does count towards beauty. So right there, we're going to be receiving a $3 beauty buck for spending $30 on beauty. The total after coupons is going to be $18.58. We're going to use that 10 off of 30 instant coupon. And again, that's printing out for all of us today as well. And you also have until the 15th to print that out. So the total works out to $8.58, but you're going to get back a $10 extra buck. So you get back $5 for the L'Oreal Elvive, and you get back $5 for the Garnier face care. So it becomes free plus a $1.42 moneymaker. Now, if you include the $3 in extra bucks, which we will receive in 48 hours, it works out to free plus a $4.42 moneymaker. So the next deal is going to be on NYX lip products. So they're going to be on a promotion for buy 2, get a $10 extra buck, and they're on sale 2 for $11.98. So you're going to use a 3 off of 10 NYX CRT, making the total $8.98, but you're going to get back a $10 extra buck. So this works out to be free plus a $1.02 moneymaker, and there goes that CRT right there. Now, if you don't have this 3 off of 10 CRT, I feel like this is still a good deal because you're paying $11.98 for both of them, but you're going to get back $10 in extra bucks. So it works out to $1.98 for both products, or 99 cents each. And what's great about the NYX deal is that it counts towards beauty. Now, the next deal is going to be on the Eucerin Original Lotion 5 ounce. So I did check on cvs.com, and these are included in the spend 20, get $10 in extra bucks. So I'm going to pick up 4 of them for $6.29 each, making them $25.16. I'm going to use 4 of the $3 off 1 coupons from our 2 Smart Source. I received a $3.50 off 15 lotion CRT. It makes the total $9.66, but you're going to get back a $10 extra buck. So it works out to be free plus a 34-cent moneymaker. Now, the $3 off 1 coupons are a limit of 4. So I'm going to show you that really quickly. Limit of 4 light coupons in the same shopping trip. And then I have that 3 off of 15 hand or lotion CRT. Now, the next deal is going to be on Nivea Men's Body Wash. So when I checked on CVS.com on my phone, it doesn't show up for the buy 2, get 5. But when I checked on CVS.com through my desktop, and it's already after 12, it showed that they're part of the buy 2, get 5. So that's something I'll have to confirm in store as well when I go in store. So these are buy 2, get 5 if they are included. You're going to pick up 2 of them for $5.99 each, making them $11.98. You can use 1 of the 3 off of 2 coupons from our 2 Smart Source, as well as a 2 off of 10 Nivea Body Wash CRT or any type of body wash CRT that you may have available. So the total works out to $6.98, but you're going to get back a $5 extra buck. So it works out to $1.98 for both of them or 99 cents each. And these are the coupons right here. So I have a 3 off of 10 Nivea for men's skincare as well as body wash. And then I have that 3 off of 2 coupon from our, 2 Smart Source. So that's another deal. You have to check tomorrow to see if it's included. So I will definitely let you guys know in store. Okay, so the next deal is going to be on Gillette and Venus razors. They're on a great promotion this week for buy 2, get an $8 extra buck. So I'm going to pick up 1 of the Gillette Mach 3s for $9.29. And I'm going to pick up 1 of the Venus Comfort Glides for $12.99. So the total before coupons is going to be $22.28. Yes, they are cheaper razors that you can pick up, and the $4 off coupons from our P&G are a limit of 2 for each of them, but I want to pick up the Venus Comfort Glide for $12.99. The total before coupons is going to be $22.28. I'm going to use 1 of the $4 off 1 for the Gillette in our February P&G, as well as a $4 off 1 Venus from our February P&G. I have a 5 off of 20 Shave CRT, making the total $9.28, but you're going to get back $8 in extra bucks. So it works out to $1.28 for both of them or 64 cents each. Now, if you do have a 3 off of 12 Shave Purchase CRT, you can definitely pick up the cheaper products and it will become a moneymaker. So really good deal on Gillette and Venus razors. Now, the last deal, well, let me show you the coupons really quickly. There goes the 5 off of 20. And there goes the 2 $4 off coupons. Now, the next deal is going to be on Axe Body Wash. So this is a deal that's not in the ad. These are going to be buy 2, get a $2 extra buck. And they're going to be on sale 2 for $10. So you're going to use 2 of the 150 off 1 coupons from our 126 RMN. I received a $150 off Axe Body Wash CRT, as well as a $2 off Axe Body Wash CRT, and a 2 off of 8 Body Wash CRT. So you can use all of those CRTs together because this one is a threshold CRT, and these are non-threshold CRTs. So the total works out to $150, but you're going to get back a $2 extra buck. So it works out to be free plus a 50-cent moneymaker. Now, I did receive a 5 off of 15 any purchase on my text coupon, so I did send it to my card. I'm going to do a scenario for you guys during the week for that, and hopefully, fingers crossed, I do get a 10 off of 50 or something along those lines. So usually I'll check within my first transaction at CVS, and then I'll let you guys know if I'll bring you a 10 off of 50 this week, or maybe a makeup scenario or something along those lines. So make sure you check out throughout the week because I do bring you guys more deals for CVS and smaller transactions. Now, there is a deal I am interested in. It's going to be the Tresemme deal. So in the ad, the Tresemme is 2 for $10, but included in this deal is going to be Suave hair care as well as Dove hair care. Now, the Tresemme is 2 for $10. Online, the Suave is showing up $4.39. I'm going to check in store to see if the Suave is 2 for $6. Even if it's not 2 for $6, I'll probably do the deal because I do have some really good CRTs. So I have the $4 off 2 coupon that we received last week in our inserts. And then I believe this one came out the week before that, the 3 off of 2 for the Suave. And then I have a 2 off of 8 Tresemme shampoo CRT and a $2 off 2 Suave hair care CRT. So I have to check the prices at the store. If they are regular price, the Suave, it still turns out to be a good deal. I believe you pay like $7.50 and you get $5 in extra bucks for spending $15. So I'll definitely check to see what's going on in store, if they're 2 for $6 or if they're $4.39 each. Also included in this deal is going to be the Dove shampoo and conditioner. Usually they're around buy one, get one half off, but online they're showing up as regular price as well. So I do have a 3 off of 10 for Dove shampoo. So if you guys have a CRT like that, you can definitely use it with this deal. Spend 15, get 5. Let's say you want to pick up the Dove as well as the Tresemme or the Dove or the Suave if you have these great CRTs. So hopefully this was helpful for you guys. Make sure you stay tuned for my in-store video like I showed you guys last week. And then later on throughout the day, I'll show you guys my haul video to show you if the deals worked out or not. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this was helpful for you guys. And for now, I did print out my CRTs online. So that's working out perfectly. And they all showed up in my app. I will scan my card tomorrow at the Redbox Coupon Center because I know a couple of stores at the center does work. So yeah, guys, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.